Caution: observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Remove the base enclosure, battery, and hard disk drive. Lift the touchpad bracket and set aside. Gently push out the locking bar on the touchpad ZIF connector and remove the touchpad ribbon cable. Important: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the 4 thin 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the touchpad assembly to the top cover. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that helps to secure the keyboard bracket to the top cover. Lift the touchpad assembly up and out from under the keyboard bracket and off of its alignment pins. Remove the touchpad assembly. Position the touchpad assembly into its compartment under the keyboard bracket and over its alignment pins and screw holes. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that helps to secure the keyboard bracket to the top cover. Replace the 4 thin 3mm P1 Phillips head screws to secure the touchpad assembly to the top cover. Insert the touchpad ribbon cable into the ZIF connector on the audio board and gently push in on the ZIF connector locking bar. Important: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Replace the touchpad bracket over its alignment pins and screw holes.